Hey, Tu here from MackingDomain, and we are back again with a product overview. This time we are going to explore something from this company called Glensound. Now, if you're familiar with the broadcast world of sports, maybe you'll be familiar with this brand because they are most well known for making commentary boxes. But something that maybe some people do not know is that they also make some pretty useful audio utility products. So today we're going to explore specifically the AoIP2M and the AoIP4.4. Now, why do I say that these are useful utility products is because essentially they do a very simple thing to convert something like a standard XLR format and convert it into the Dante format, which is an audio over network protocol. But in simple terms, if you're not very familiar with the technicalities, is that all it does for you is that it can take multiple channels of audio like this, 2 channels, or maybe for something even bigger like this, the 4.4, which is 4 ins and 4 outs, and it converts it into network. Now notice that even though it has an extension of from 2 to 4, the number of network cables remain the same. So this can be really useful when you're looking for a value effective method in transporting your audio from one point to another in long distance without necessarily resorting to something like the traditional analog audio snakes. And as some of you may know, those can be very costly, especially over long distances. So this can serve as a pretty good alternative to those kind of setups. The only thing you just need to throw in there is a fairly capable network switch, but those generally aren't that expensive nowadays. So maybe differences between the different products is some, like this one, the 2M carries with it mic pre, so it can also double as a very simple audio interface system if you need to just quickly plug in mics and you want it to work straight away without an additional mixer into the workflow. But of course, these details can be sorted out. If you want to find out more, you can always reach out to us for a conversation and we can further elaborate or maybe even explore with you your current signal chain or workflow, and we'll explain to you how these products can really help to serve as a very good value enhancing utility piece to your audio chain. So of course, again, if you would like to find out more about these products, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to have a conversation with you.